Angular 19 is around the corner. Here are some updates that you can expect in version 19. Components will be standalone by default. Hence no need to add the standalone equal to true flag to our components. You can also use ng update to update your current Angular project to Angular 19. Signals and computed are now stable, which means there were some bug fixes and improvements to improve the user experience while using Angular signals. New experimental API and linked signals were also introduced in Angular 19. Automatic refactoring was also introduced in Angular 19. Angular Material was updated and it's compatible with Material 3, as well as the customizable styles so that you can customize Angular Material components easily. Math.theme was introduced for easy theming in Angular Material. There were also improvements in hydration, such as incremental hydration and improved event replay in server-side rendered websites. With the above improvements, Angular continues to be one of my favorite frameworks as it contains everything a developer may need in one place. Make sure to upgrade your project to Angular 19 by installing the latest version of Angular CLI and use the ng update to update your current project. I'm going to start the course regarding Angular 19. Make sure to subscribe and like this video to never miss out. Peace.